Hi, I'm Suganya. I work as a teacher and a resource person with Viswa Bharati Vidyodaya Trust. As an organization, our vision is to create culturally relevant and meaningful education and learning systems for Adivasi children and youth, together with the people from the community. So their participation, their involvement, right from the design to taking it forward, really underpins the work that we do and really takes us closer to the vision every single day. A message that I would like to share for other organizations and funders as part of the Rebuild India Fund is that we've really set ourselves a very bold vision. We are talking about how, as civil society organizations, we can come together and take the narrative of people's movements, people's voices, lived experiences to the world. I think that's really bold and something that is extremely needed. So I'm really looking forward to traveling this journey with you all. The vision for a rebuilt India really looks like having different people here along with me right now who look different, who speak different languages, and yet all of us are connected with a sense of deep community spirit, of empathy, of also a common goal. So a rebuilt India would really look like more people sharing that space for diversity to be there and that space for also participation with that strength and that hope that we are all able to do right now. Working with Adivasi communities, I am learning a lot from them. So one of the biggest vulnerabilities, it is also one of the biggest strengths, it really depends on how we choose to see it, is that they have a very different worldview, a worldview where we can learn a lot from, but at the same time in today's mainstream world, their worldview is really on the margins or not really onto the paper itself. So the biggest vulnerability, I would say, is that of their identity, their culture being excluded, their language, their histories being excluded. If we look at it as vulnerability, but at the same time, I think we can really tap into that as an opportunity and think about how can we really leverage the power that these communities have and build an India that is inclusive of their voices, their histories and their cultures.